MySehab's companion app was specifically designed for tablets and is mostly used by operators in clean rooms, giving them access to dedicated interactive work instructions on the processes they're assigned. Logging is as easy as with the back office app. Just fill in the username and password. Once you log in, you only see and have access to the processes that you're personally assigned on this day. And this way, you're not polluted with other people's tasks or non-priority assignments. To execute a process, simply click on it and hit execute. Every critical step is tracked by the platform and therefore requires an electronic signature, especially as this will change the status of the process from planned to in execution. A process basically consists of one or several steps, each one of them showing one or several tasks. You cannot jump to the next task until the current one is completed. Now, before digging further, I really want to stress that all the processes and everything else you see here is 100% customizable and tailor-made to your workflows. So the format in which the instructions are given can be anything, from simple text lines to drop-down menus, checkboxes, tables with pre-filled information, video-based instructions, an image or a map. I mean, possibilities are endless. In this particular case, the operator is asked to fill in the information in a specific format. So using characters here, for example, will not be accepted. Once the data is entered with the right format, you're allowed to submit and move on to the next task. Should you need to provide further information, you may also log a comment which will appear in the execution report. In this second task, the operator is to fill in the results he got from cell counting in a table. MySehub also provides users with built-in calculation tools that help save a lot of time, as you will see now. As soon as I enter the viability percentage, you see on the right-hand side that calculations are actually made fully automatically. As an option, you may delete a row or add a new one if needed. Once all the information is filled in, the app has automatically calculated the final results and allows you to move on. Another example of instruction can be a photo proof. In this case, the operator is invited to take a picture of the cell counter display to prove the results I did above are correct. Optionally, you may choose this step to be mandatory or not. If not, you can proceed without the picture. The last instruction is a simple text field. Once all tasks have been executed, the app allows you to move on to the next step, or in this case, since there only is one step, to finish the process. As this is a critical step again, the operator is once again asked for their electronic signature. Upon completion, the operator may review the execution report and choose to add comments where needed, or should more information be necessary. The report shows all the tasks that were performed with the exact timestamps of execution and the initials of the executor. It also allows for a second operator to log in, review, comment, and even mark tasks for approval directly on the tablet. You may also store the report if needed. Now let's go back to the back office app to see how the data has updated in real time.